Hi everyone, good morning. WHGCM Reactor Guy with Shu speaking. Now, let me share with you our new 29-liter stainless steel 904L explosion-proof high-pressure, high-temperature reactor. This reactor heating type is jacket semi-oiled bath electric heating with explosion-proof operation color. This is a side-pole-mounted explosion-proof motor with a belt guard cover, connected with magnetic sealing coupler, 100% no any leakage. This is a lifting boom, can manually lift the cathode cover. Means the cathode body is fixed, and the cathode cover is up and down lifted. This reactor heating type designed as two solutions. One is jacket semi-oiled bath electric heating. Another one is jacket heated by external semi-oil circulation heating. For the cathode cover nozzle ports, such as gas liquid solid phase inlets, pressure gauge thermometer, vent and discharge ports, all can be customized. If you have any interest for this kind of high pressure, high temperature reactor, please send us your inquiry. Thank you.